Join us as we take on the challenge of taking our home through Scotland's most breathtaking waterway and see how we handle the lochs, where you can moor up and the tricky Scottish weather. The Caledonian Canal stretches 60 miles from Fort William to Inverness, passing through some of Scotland's most breathtaking landscapes, from the majestic Ben Nevis to the tranquil Loch Ness. Get ready to discover the natural beauty of the Scottish Highlands like never before. In this two-part video, we'll take you on a journey through the canal's 29 lochs, picturesque villages and stunning scenery. So sit back, relax and get ready to be inspired by the beauty of the Caledonian Canal.
Afternoon, we are about to set off for the Caledonian Canal. We're going to go to the, what's it called? Clanharry or something? Clacknaharry Sea Loch first. And then we'll lock through to the Caledonian Canal, and we're going to have a night in the marina, and then our friends are coming up to see us from Cardiff, so we're waiting for them in the marina, and then we'll head up the Caledonia, or head across or even down the Caledonian Canal tomorrow.
Subscribe. Okay, so we're in a sea loch. We've already come up a bit. You would not believe we are in a thunderstorm. It is absolutely chucking it down. We are soaking. Don't know if you can hear the thunder rumbling, but it is loud. We are in the sea loch with a westerly called Gravitas, and we're heading through to the marina, which is just the other side. Well, we've moved on up the canal a little bit. We can hear the ducks quacking and doing. They sound like they're laughing at us in the rain. This is where we're heading, this little marina on the left. So that'll be our next stop, and we're still extremely soggy. Good weather for ducks.
Good weather for ducks.
Well, I'm wet, but we're here. We're tied up on a finger berth, and we're waiting for some friends. We're hoping Georgina and David from Yacht Aquila are going to join us to go through the canal. They should be flying in and meeting us tomorrow, so we're really looking forward to that. Hope this weather improves.
Morning everyone, here we are, we're in Seaport Marina. I thought I'd take a quick video while the sun's shining, so you can see it sort of bathed in sunshine, because the forecast for the next few days is wet and thundery showers. So a quick glimpse of the canal in sunshine, almost.
We have left our little berth at Seaport Marina, and we're just heading towards one of the second swing bridges. We did one yesterday but didn't film it. This one's swinging now. On the other side we're coming to Muirtown Lochs. Our friends have arrived. There's George at the front. Hi George. And at the back, there's David sticking his head out. Hi David. And there's Alan, skipper in the boat. So we've worked out a system where we thread our line through our cleat so it can't jump out, and then it's going to our winch, and then Alan can control that line really easily just by pulling on it to take it in. I'm ashore and I'm responsible for walking her between the lochs and putting this line on the hook, so I take it off and walk it to the next loch. And we also have a pair on the front, so David's ashore with me walking the bow line, and George is on the deck adjusting the bow line. This is working really well, really well. Here we go. We're walking up the canal and Alan's all he's doing is talking about revenge, making me work to pull this bloody boat up. Here we go. Make sure you don't fall in, George. Alan's in control of the stern line and we're just closing the...
Like and subscribe.
First set of locks. Everybody's really happy, the sun is shining and we're heading towards our first swing bridge, which is up here. Don't know if you can see it in the distance. Try zooming in a little. It's up there. I don't know if that's even in focus. We try moving forward. I can hear the klaxon going for the swing bridge. Apparently a fishing boat's going to come through towards us. The radio of bridge controllers told us, and then once they're through, we're clear to go through. We are so lucky today. The countryside looks beautiful. Birds are singing. So peaceful. Not many people about. There's the odd person on the towpath. There's a couple of walkers over here, but that's all we've seen. Here's Yacht Seagull. We are moored up for the night. Look at this beautiful spot. Day 2 of being on the canal. Well, actually it's day 3. I'm saying day 2 because it's the day that we're going to move, but we can see the loch in front of us and it's beautiful. Hills are beautiful, we can hear the birds singing. It's a towpath. There's lots of pontoons where we are and this is the way we've come. So today we're heading into Loch Ness. We are in the loch. This is Dock Garrett Lock. This is the lock keeper's hut. They are just operating the lock gates now. We've got George on our bow line this morning. And we've got David on the stern line. Alan is on the helm. Lock gates are just shutting behind us. Are you excited today, Loch Ness?
Yes.
Are you going to spot monsters?
We are. We're going to try and catch it.
On our little boat, we're going to catch Nessie.
I'm going to finally dispel the myth that it doesn't exist.
You are the fisherman to do that.
I've got my spinner, I've got my rod, I've got my little reel. It's going to be an awesome day's fishing.
There we are.
Here we go, entering Loch Ness. With the genuine Loch Ness mizzle. We're
on Loch Ness. Look at these amazing views we can see behind us. It was absolutely chucking it down with rain as we came in, but it's kind of just clearing now and it's getting a bit nicer, and we can see something of the hills behind us. It looks absolutely brilliant. We cannot believe we're here. We made it, Loch Ness. Alan down there, but he's with David. They've both got their hats on. The castle a little bit earlier. Here we are back on the deck. This is the shore. Here is the castle. Just look how close we are. Loch Ness is so deep. It's over 200 metres deep when we came in today. We're heading out a little bit further tomorrow in that direction. I don't know if this is a moment of stupidity or not, but Alan has decided to fly the drone from the boat, which will be the first time we've ever done it. I'm pretty nervous, but there she goes. We've left the anchorage. You can just see the castle there. We were anchored over there. We're heading up, well, I should say down really. We're heading down now, Loch Ness. So we're heading in this direction. The skipper is down below.
We've only got 172 metres.
There we go. Skipper's down below this morning, and he is definitely on breakfast duty. We're having eggs, bacon and mushroom sandwiches. The best passage breakfast. Okay, so this is where we are on our instrument. On the right is our depth instrument, and it's tripped out at 172 metres, it says last, which means that it won't measure anymore until we come back into depth for the range of that instrument. So Loch Ness, we can confirm, is deep.
The wind's pretty strong.
Yeah, there's no wind.
We've got less than 2 knots.
It looks fantastic today because we've got no rain. I love the view up the loch. You can see into the distance all the Highlands. It's just really fabulous. I think we've got very lucky with this smooth water.
Like and subscribe.
We're out here in the rain. It is blooming pouring, and we're all stood here getting soaking wet because there is a ship coming through the loch. I don't know if you can see it, it's over there. I'm going to walk back across to the loch gate above it so you can see.